Assalamu alaikum. I am making a tutorial on which I will show you how to make disposable email addresses through yopmail.com. This website is useful for those people who do not want to show their identity due to security reasons. It can be used on many social sites activation like Facebook, Twitter, MySpace, Instagram, Snapchat, or any other social site. This website is also used for generating different type of email addresses for business purposes like Netflix or any other business site or streaming site. The benefit of using this site is that you are not worried about losing your identity to any ordinary person or any other person. You just type any type of name in this checkbox button and you will get your email ready. In next tutorial I will show you how to sign up on Facebook through your mail. See you in the next tutorial. Allah Hafiz.